Hi guys, welcome back to the native channel, and in this quick tutorial video I'm going to be showing you how you can view your Canva designs side by side. Now the first thing we'll do is to log into Canva, and once you are on the Canva editor, let's assume that you have a couple of designs on your Canva editor, and instead of viewing them this way, just one after the other, you'd want to view them side by side. So what you need to do is to look at the bottom right corner of your screen, and you see a set of tooltips, and the first one is the pages. This allows you to show your Canva designs, show the thumbnails of your Canva designs at the footer part of your design. You can see that right there. So if you want to click on any page, you can go ahead and do that. There's this another feature, that's the grid view. If you click on it, the grid view allows you to just oppose your designs. You can place them side by side so that you can have one view of all the designs in one place. Thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.